Hello friends, it's Saurabh and I am welcome you to my YouTube channel Biology with Saurabh. In this video, we are going to discuss some topic which is commonly come in the 9th unit of our CSIR net syllabus, which is called the diversity of life form. Usually we skip that topic, but it is sometimes useful. So I am going to make some videos about this. Whether you have not prepared that topic properly, it may be helpful for you. So let's start. In this video, we are going to discuss and classification of the fungi according to its spore. So when we start classification, actually fungi are of two types. They are aseptate and septate. You can see the hypha. This is the hypha of the fungi. Here there is a single hyphae and no septa, but here see some septa are present. Septa means the chambers, the room like structure are present in the hyphae. According to those, the fungi are of two types. They are aseptate and septate. And when we go for the aseptate type, that is usually classified as Phycomycetes, which don't have any aseptate condition or any pore. That is again divided into two types according to its sexual spore, that is Zygomycetes and Oomycetes. The Zygomycetes, which form the zygospore for its sexual spore, and the Oomycetes have the oospore as its sexual spore. On the basis of asexual spores, they both have the aplanospore or zoospore. Then we go to our next part, that is the septate, which have the septa or chamber. The septate fungi are again divided into three categories. Sometimes it is have the simple pore. You can see some pore are present between the septa, that is called the Ascomycota. This family is called the Ascomycota, which is the sexual spore is called ascospore, and the asexual spore of the Ascomycota are conidia. From this spore category, CSIR asks questions sometime. The Basidiomycota, here show the diplospore. Diplospore means this type of spore, this type of pore present between the septa. This is the Basidiomycetes, and these Basidiomycetes have the sexual spore, the Basidiospore. Usually Basidiospore do not show any asexual reproduction, but when it show, the conidia are used as the sexual spore. And the last type is the Deuteromycetes fungi, which have the pure septa, full form of septa, no pore between them. This is the asexual spore or the conidia. The sexual pore is not defined as well. So in the CSIR point of view, we can focus this part. That the Zygomycota have zygospore, the Oomycetes have oospore, the Ascomycetes has ascospore, the Basidiomycetes have Basidiospore, it is sexual spore. And for the asexual spore, we go for the Zygomycetes have zoospore and aplanospore, the Oomycetes have also zoospore and aplanospore, the Ascomycetes have conidia, the Basidiomycetes have also conidia, and the Deuteromycetes also conidia. CSIR asked this type of question for several times, so you can focus on that. The spore, the septate or the aseptate or the spore of the sexual and asexual spore of the different family of the fungi. Zygomycota, sexual reproduction by the zygospore, the Ascomycota, sexual reproduction by the ascospore, the Basidiomycota, sexual reproduction by the Basidiospore, which is the cup shaped Basidia. The Deuteromycota is the sexual phase has not been observed in the Deuteromycota. And the asexual reproduction in Zygomycota, the asexual reproduction in non-motile spore that is formed in the sporangia. The Ascomycota is where the conidiophore or conidia. Usually Basidiomycota have uncommon type of no sexual reproduction seen in the Basidiomycota. In Deuteromycota it is by the conidia. Hope this video will helpful for you. So please do like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Happy learning.